Welcome to another video. Now we're given that 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x is equals to 48. I'm going to take you through step by step on how to solve the value of x and if possible verify it. So the value of x can be gotten by, first, I know that 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x, combining them, I'm going to get 2 into 8 raised to x over 4 raised to x is equals to 48. Using the laws of indices, if you have a raised to m divided by b raised to m, then this can be simplified as a over b raised to m. So applying this in this particular point, I'm going to get 2 in bracket 8 over 4, and then x will come outside, should be equals to 48. So well, I know 8 divided by 4, it is giving me 2, should be equals to 48. Then at this stage, I'm going to divide all through by 2 so that I get now 2 raised to x should be equals to 24. So guys, if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel, comment using an alternative approach, and share this video. Let's continue. So since the power of x is unknown, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides of this equation so that I have the log of 2 raised to x should be equals to the log of 24. Well, if you have the log of a raised to b, then this can be simplified as b to the log of a, so that this now changes to x to the log of 2 is equals to the log of 24. Then I'm going to divide by the log of 2, the log of 2, so that my answer for the value of x becomes the log of 24 divided by the log of 2, which I can go further and simplify. And I know that 24 can be written in terms of its factors as 2 power 3, which is 8, multiplied by 3. So I'm going to rewrite 24 in terms of its factors. So now it changes to x is equals to the log of 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 divided by the log of 2. And recall that wherever you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be rewritten as the log of a plus the log of b. So applying that here, equation now changes to the log of 2 power 3 plus the log of 3, divide everything by the log of 2. So next, these 3 can come down as x is equals to 3 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 2. I'm writing them separately using log 2 as the base, divided by log 3 over log 2. Of course, this I'm going to cancel like that so that my equation now changes to x is equals to 3 plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 2. Also recall that wherever you have the log of a divided by the log of b, then this can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So applying that here, my final equation now changes to x is equals to 3 plus the log of 3 to the base of 2 which was required value of x in that case. But using your scientific calculator, compressing this in your scientific calculator, this value is approximately equals to 4.585. I've just written it up to 4 significant figures. So let us verify if indeed the value of x is equals to 3 plus the log of 3 to the base 2. I had 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x is equals to 48. So whenever I have x, I'm going to substitute 3 plus log 3 base 2 so that it changes to 8 in bracket 3 plus log 3 base 2 plus 8 in bracket 3 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 4 in bracket 3 plus log 3 base 2 should give me 48. So since the powers are added, I'm going to separate the bases by multiplying. So 8 power 3 multiplied by 8 raised to power the log of 3 base 2. Also come this side, 8 raised to 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the log of 3 base 2. Down also I'm going to separate as 4 raised to 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the log of 3 base 2 should give me 48. So guys, the next step, I'm going to write this 4, 8 in terms of the base of 2 and also this one and also this one, because I know 8 power 3 I can get its value, so that it changes to 8 power 3 multiplied by 2. Of course, this is 2 raised to 3 to the log of 3 base 2 plus 8 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 3 to the log of 3 base 2. So if you're still watching us, kindly like this video, comment, subscribe, turn your notification on. This also, I'm going to write it as 4 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 2 to the log of 3 base 2 should give me 48. This 3 can come up as the power, and also these 2 can come up, so that I have 8 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 to the log of 3 power 3 plus 8 power 3 multiplied by 2 to the log of 3 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 multiplied by 2 to the log of 3 power 2 should give me 48. So of course, remember the basis. This was the basis 2. Don't forget it. Recall that wherever you have a to the log of b base a, then this changes to b, since the base and the base are equal. So applying that here, meaning that this and this gonna cancel, so that I end up with 8 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 3 plus 8 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2. Also this gonna cancel, is equals to 48. Of course, computing this in our calculator, this one alone, I'm going to end up with this value, 1384, plus also 1384. And also punching this in my calculator, I'm going to end up with 576. Of course, adding this and this, you're going to get 2764, 8. If you divide by 576, you'll end up with your answer as 48, which is the proof that indeed we've gotten the actual value of x. So guys, you've come to the end of this video. Subscribe and comment.